Yan po yung aming allowance as police.
Hindi nga, ang total mo ang kinikita. Ikaw, you're evading. Hindi ko pa nilalabas yung isang tao. O magkano talaga?
Yung 28,000, salary grade 28 po ng Colonel, Your Honor, plus yung aming allowance.
Magkano nga?
8,000 nga po, Your Honor.
Total.
Sahod.
So less. May withholding, di ba? Magkano withholding mo? Eh kami dito sa Congress, we're just 32% nga kami. Mas maliit pang sahod namin sa kinikita mo. Oh, magkano?
Hindi ko po memorize yung sa sahod
Nako,
ko po as Colonel.
magkano ang pinapadala sa iyo? Na net. At sino ang nagpapadala sa iyo?
The Budget and Fiscal Office po ng...
Are you sure?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sigurado ka?
Yes, Your Honor.
O magkano? Magkano nga eh?
Sinasama po padalas doon.
Kaya nga
Kasama po
magkano, Kernel? Tinatawag kaya magkano?
14,000 po yung MOE ng office plus yung sahod po namin, Your Honor.
14,000.
14 po yung operating expenses.
Hindi yung sa'yo.
8,000 po, Your Honor.
Magkano?
8,000
8,000.
dollars po.
O less yung 32% withholding.
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Bakit? O so magkano talaga?
Yun nga po, Your Honor.
O ba't wala kang withholding?
Ang withholding po, Your Honor, doon po sa sahod ko as Colonel, Your Honor. Yun po kasing allowance namin doon. Ito po yung aming...
Sandali. Sino yung next higher officer mo that time?
Directorate for... the Director for the Directorate for Intelligence, Your Honor.
O who is that the director?
Marami po, Your Honor. During
Marami.
pag-alis ko po,
Before you leave and on your first assignment, sino? Oh, but you're talking to Grijaldo. Alam niya ba? Mas alam niya?
hindi ko na...
Eto Colonel last na to, papakontempt kita.
Yes, Your Honor.
O, sino? Are you willing to be cited in contempt? Willingly?
Hindi ko na po maalala, Your Honor, yung DI na pag-alis ko, Your Honor.
Pwede ba yun? Pwede ba yun di mo matandaan? Yung unang principal mo, nung na-assign ka, that was August 2020, as your statement. Hindi mo alam? Or you just evading because papatawag
No,
namin siya?
No, Your Honor. Hindi ko lang talaga ma-recall.
O yung
Honor.
yung last, before you're assigned here in the Philippines. Hindi mo rin alam? That was 2023, September? Hindi mo alam?
Si General Morico po, Your Honor.
General,
Major General Morico, Your Honor.
is he active until now?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anong assignment niya?
Ngayon po, Your Honor.
Siyempre, tinatanong ko yung assignment niya ngayon.
Director po ng Research and Development, Your
O, papatawag natin siya. Kaya mo, Mr. Chairman, papatawag yung director for what?
Research, Your Honor.
O, research. Certain Major General Moreno. At the same time, makalimutin pala to si si Colonel Villela. Hindi niya matandaan yung principal niya nung time ng first assignment niya as a trustee. O, do you recall? Hindi mo ma-recall?
Pandemic.
Sinong PNP chief that time?
Si General Albayalde, Your Honor.
O, General Albayalde, nakita ko kanina. Gen Albayalde. General Albayalde, sino yung official niya that time?
Mr. Chairman, if he's telling when he was assigned sa
LA, Your Honor.
as liaison officer of sa San Francisco po kasi dati yan linipat lang sa LA. Retired na po ako noon. I retired 2019, Mr. Chairman.
Oh, ikaw, Villela, pati si General Albayalde, sabihin mo na siya.
Retired na po ako 2019,
Ikaw,
Mr.
sinungaling ka.
Hindi ko na, kasi siya ang nakapirma po, Your Honor, sa appointment ko.
Sandali, ba't siya nakapirma? Retired na nga siya eh. That was August of
Process kasi
2020. Sandali, please wait to be recognized by the chairman. Oh, your assignment was August 2020. How come General Albayalde will sign your document? 2019, retire na siya. You're lying again.
Elaborate, Mr. Chairman. Opo, yung signature kasi, it will be signed and then it will undergo process kasi kiniklear pa po sa embassy yan. Matagal po yung process niyan, Mr. Chairman. So, naiwanan ko na po yun. Nung pagkapirma po yan, it's not after you sign it, assigned na po yun. Magkiklear pa po yan, they have to give their credentials and all.
Okay, we'll take in, sir, Albayalde will take in. Now, question, balik ko lang, sino? Hindi mo rin matandaan. Nakatanggap ka ba ng order that time?
Yes, Your Honor.
O hindi mo tinignan kung sinong pumirma, sinong boss mo?
Ang na-assign po kasi ako ng Iloilo. After that, na-issuean po ako ng order January dahil pandemic po noon. Hindi na po kami nakaalis kaagad, Your Honor.
Ang tinatanong ko nga, you stayed there for 3 years, di ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
O hindi mo alam?
Marami po kasing naging DI, Your Honor, that time. And,
Anyway, sino yung highest official ng PNP active here? Eto, Colonel, kasi medyo nakapagtataka. Anyway, Mr. Chairman, I move that we get the assignment of Colonel Villela.
naalala ko na, Your Honor, si General Agustin po, Your Honor.
Major
General Agustin, Your Honor.
Is he active until now?
Retired na po, Your Honor.
Retired. Mr. Chairman, I move to invite Mr. Agustin in the next hearing. Para magkaalaman tayo.
Mr. Chair. Comsec, please take note of the to be invited resource persons in our next hearing. Retired Major General Agustin. Congressman Acop.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. I think we have with us today General Benji Acorda, who also headed yung Directorate for Investigation. May I be allowed to ask some questions?
Yeah, please proceed.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. General Acorda, you were assigned with DI, Directorate for Intelligence, di po ba?
Yes, sir.
Yung mga sweldo ng ating mga attaché, police attaché, dumadaan sa DI.
Yes, Your Honor.
Di ba may diplomatic pouch yun na ipinapadala natin sa US kung saan naka-assign si Colonel Villela?
Yes, Your Honor.
Tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yung sweldo at saka MOE nila.
Yes,
Now,
Your Honor.
General Acorda, pwedeng dagdagan yun, di po ba?
To my understanding, Your Honor, yes, Your Honor.
Yes. Hindi naman perfect yung kwan na yun eh. Sistema na yun. Dinadagdag ninyo kung may pinapadala doon sa kanila na extra. Would you agree?
Yes, Your Honor, especially if there are some special occasions or visits and additional expenses that are incurred by our police attaché, Your Honor.
Maski personal na padala, po pwede. Would that be correct?
Personal, Your Honor, may I be allowed to check with our finance officer sa DI nun, Your Honor, kasi medyo hindi po ako lumaki sa controller and budget.
Nandiyan ba sa iyo? Kasama mo ba?
Unfortunately, Your Honor, I must be candid.
Pero nangyayari yon. Would you also agree, General Albayalde?
I have no knowledge on that, sir. I was never assigned in the DI at never assigned in Krame, sir.
But
Hindi
you
po
became
po.
the Chief PNP,
Yes.
right? Kung
Yes.
ako nga na hindi naging Chief PNP, alam ko eh. Bakit hindi nyo alam?
Yeah. Probably personal, sir. Hindi ko po alam, but I'm not privy on that, sir. Kung meron po talagang nangyaring ganun.
Colonel Villela, meron bang pagkakataon na hindi lang yung sweldo mo ang natatanggap mo?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. Kanino galing yung hindi kasama sa sweldo mo at saka MOE? na natatanggap mo through the diplomatic pouch ng Directorate for Intelligence?
Yung sahod ko po na dito, Your Honor.
Yung sahod mo.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, and magkano po yung sahod mo noon in terms of pesos?
120,000, Your Honor.
120,000. Mr. Chair, may I request the presence of Police Captain Anova here as a resource person?
Is Captain Anova present?
Do you know Police Captain Anova, Colonel Villela?
Yes, Your Honor.
And Madam Garma, do you know also Police Captain Anova?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Yes. And who is Police Captain Anova to you, Colonel Villela?
When he was PNCO, Your Honor, lagi pong nagtatambay sa akin, Your Honor. Lagi ko pong nauutusan ng errand, Your Honor.
Nauutusan ng ERAN. Nung
Opo,
siya po ay hindi pa opisyal. Tama
yes,
po.
Yes, Your Honor.
And